Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dan, and today you're going to be a part of Are You Smarter Than a Undergrad? Today we have this lovely Savannah Lowry, who hails from New York City with a degree in mathematics, and competing against her is the lovely Emma Murphy, who's from St. Louis, and we also have the very, very handsome Cole Melton, who's also pursuing a major in biology. Let's see if our postbac is smarter than our undergrads. Savannah, are you ready?
Yeah, Dan, let's do this.
All right, Savannah, your first question is for $50. Name the defining characteristic of Ctenaphora.
They have 8 rows of fused cilia that provide a means of mobility, and they use collablasts, or sticky cells, to capture the prey.
Very good.
Thank you.
Now a fact check from one of our undergrads.
Ctenaphora are carnivorous marine animals. Most are globular, meaning they have a mouth at one end and an anus at the other. They do not have a brain like some of our post-bac students, but instead contain a nerve network. Each Ctenaphora contains a statocyst, which is the main sensory organ that helps keep the animal upright and vertical. The fun doesn't end there. Ctenaphoras class Nuda contain a secondary sensory organ that helps detect other Ctenaphora around them by secreting chemicals. Pretty cool stuff.
All right, our next question is for $100. What are the 2 classes of Ctenaphora?
Class Tentacula and Class Nuda.
That is correct. Ctenaphora are separated in class Tentacula and class Nuda. The major distinction between each class is the presence or absence of tentacles. Class Tentacula obviously has tentacle, and class Nuda uses a secondary sensory organ that helps detect other Ctenaphoras around them by secreting chemicals.
Okay, for $250, where are Ctenaphora most commonly found?
In our oceans.
How astute for such a young man.
Yeah,
That's
they are
correct.
found exclusively in Earth's oceans.
Okay, for $450, how do Ctenaphora reproduce?
You know this. They reproduce with one another.
Wrong. Undergrads?
Ctenaphora are actually monoecious. You'd know that if you paid any attention in class. They contain both male and female reproductive organs, and fertilization occurs when both egg and sperm are shed in the water.
For $1,000, what do Ctenaphora feed on?
Plankton.
That's correct. For $500, are Ctenaphora swimmers or crawlers?
Swimmers. Crawlers. No, swimmers.
Good job. Ctenaphora swim through 8 ciliary plates called cone plates. They're also used to maintain their orientation in space. For $500, are Ctenaphora protostomes or deuterostomes?
Deuterostomes.
Ah, what a miss. Undergrads?
They are new. They have a type of muscle that in more complex animals arises from a third germ layer in the development of the blastula.
For $1,000, do Ctenaphora have larval stage in development?
No, Dan, they're not butterflies.
Centipedes have larva stage to reach their adult form.
All right, for $1 million, 3 types of cone jellies.
Centipedes all have rounded body with branched tentacles that can be withdrawn into the jelly's body into special sheaths on either side of their mouths. Lobates are defined by 2 flattened lobes that extend from the typical rounded ctenophore body down below their mouths. They have short tentacles and grow larger than centipedes. Boroids are sac-shaped and have no tentacles at all.
For $2, what impact do cone jellies have on humans?
They make great shampoo.
Actually, Ctenaphoras have a really negative impact on humans. The fishing industry suffers because Ctenaphoras feed on larval forms of other marine animals, which has devastated crops in certain regions of the world.
All right, folks, it's time for our lightning round. Savannah, it's time to redeem yourself. Choose who you're going up against.
Cole.
Okay, guys, here's your characteristics phylogenetic tree. Name a taxon that shares a common ancestor with Ctenaphora.
Annelida.
Does Ctenaphora have a sister taxon? If so, what is it?
Yes, Chordata.
That's incorrect. There are no sister taxon for Ctenaphora. Which taxon is the closest relative to Ctenaphora?
Mollusca.
Oh, postback for the win. Next, we have Emma. Here's your 16S phylogenetic tree. Name a taxon that shares a common ancestor with Ctenaphora.
Perfora.
Wrong.
Annelida.
Does Ctenaphora have a sister taxon? If so, what is it?
Nidaria.
Right. Which taxon is the closest relative to Ctenaphora?
Nidaria.
Emma wins. Looks like we're going to the bonus round. All right, Savannah, let's see if you can make postbacks everywhere proud.
Got it, Dan.
Okay. How long have Ctenaphora been in existence?
About 540 million years since the early Cambrian age.
That's correct. Very good. State a possible hypothesis for the origin of Ctenaphora.
Chinese Cambrian monks created them from single-celled organisms to have a wider variety of food sources.
That's incorrect. Emma?
We hypothesized that Ctenaphores came from sponges, but they changed their function of the cilia from a feeding mechanism to a propulsion mechanism.
Very good. We've got our phylogenetic trees up. Name one difference between these trees.
The outgroup is cause for differences between trees, and if chosen incorrectly, the connection will be false. Correct choice of outgroup allows for appropriate connection between taxa. If a taxon with similar characteristics, or biology is chosen as the outgroup, the phylogenetic connection will no longer be parsimonious.
And the undergrad's taken. Nice try, Savannah. Maybe you should keep your day job. Thanks, folks. That's all we have.